Alright guys, in this video I will guide you on how to insert a SIM card in the iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Before we proceed, it is important to note that not every iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone 17 Pro Max actually comes with a physical SIM slot. So if you're in countries like the United States, Canada, Japan, Saudi Arabia, and so many other countries, you would not be able to insert a physical SIM like this one into your iPhone 17 Pro or your iPhone 17 Pro Max. However, for every other region, in order for you to insert a SIM card, first things first, you have to locate the SIM card tray, and it is basically on the left hand side. So if you turn over to the left hand side, you're going to see this little hole over here. This is actually the SIM card tray, and to open it up, you have to get your SIM card ejector tool that looks just like this one over here. This would actually come inside of the box of your iPhone 17 Pro or your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Once you have it, you want to turn over to the left hand side, use your SIM card ejector tool, and then just insert it at this little hole we have on the left hand side. So just go ahead and insert it, then press it downwards until it actually pops out by itself. So just go ahead and press a little hard. Now you can see it has just popped out. Now what you want to do is to keep your SIM card ejector tool and then just use your finger to pull it out just like so. Now this is actually our SIM card tray, and now you want to go ahead and get your nano SIM card, which should be something like this. And if you flip your nano SIM card backward, you're going to see that there is a little cut on the nano SIM card over here. So you want to make sure you take notice of that little cut. And then on the SIM card tray as well, there is also a little cut on this end as well. So you can see the little cut over here. And you just want to flip your SIM card and then make sure that the little cut on your SIM card fits the little cut on the SIM card tray. So just go ahead and insert it just like so, and as you can see, it fits properly. Now what you want to do is to come over to your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max and then just proceed to insert it carefully. Just pull it inside until it actually closes properly. Now once you do this, you're good to go. So you can just go ahead and open up your iPhone 17 Pro or your 17 Pro Max, and as you can see, the SIM card actually works on my device. If you find this tutorial useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.